Welcome back to Mach Revs 27. Yamaha has just unveiled the all-new 2027 YZ250F Monster Energy Yamaha Racing Edition, and this is far more than a graphics update. In fact, Yamaha has redesigned the engine, adopted a new frame, upgraded the suspension, added a hydraulic clutch, and completely revised the rear braking system. So the big question is, has Yamaha just created the new benchmark in the 250 motocross class? Let's find out. The biggest story for 2027 is the all-new 250 cubic centimeters four-stroke engine. Yamaha says the new power plant delivers more power and torque throughout the entire RPM range while also increasing the rev limit by an impressive 700 revolutions per minute. To make that happen, engineers redesigned the intake port, increased compression, introduced finger follower intake valves, and fitted YZF R1-inspired rocker arms. For the first time on a YZ model, Yamaha has also adopted double-spring intake valves to improve stability at high engine speeds. The result? Stronger acceleration, more over-rev, and a broader power band that should be highly competitive against rivals from KTM, Husqvarna, and Honda. The 2027 YZ250F now features a new dry sump lubrication system, helping maintain stable oil circulation under extreme racing conditions while improving long-term durability. On the electronic side, riders get adjustable launch control, 3-level traction control, smartphone tuning through the Yamaha Power Tuner app, and even a new ECU anti-theft lock function. That's a serious level of technology for a motocross machine. Handling has also received a major upgrade. The new YZ250F adopts the compact frame design from the championship-winning YZ450F. According to Yamaha, the new chassis improves cornering performance, front-end feel, and overall rider confidence. Combined with optimized engine mounts, the bike is designed to feel more predictable and easier to push at race pace. The KYB suspension system has been completely updated as well. There's a new rear shock, revised internals, a new piston, a new base valve, and a toolless compression adjuster for easier trackside setup changes. Meanwhile, Yamaha has introduced an all-new lightweight rear braking system featuring a smaller master cylinder, revised caliper, and improved brake disc mounting. The goal is better control, stronger stopping power, and significant weight savings. Visually, the bike looks sharper than ever. New two-piece side covers improve maintenance access, while a new honeycomb pattern seat helps riders move forward easily while maintaining grip under acceleration. And of course, this Monster Energy Edition receives the factory-inspired black and blue livery that closely mirrors Yamaha's professional race team machines. It looks fast even standing still. So Yamaha didn't just update the YZ250F for 2027. They rebuilt it. A new engine, new frame, new suspension, new brakes, new clutch, and more technology than ever before. Could this be the most advanced YZ250F Yamaha has ever built? Let us know what you think in the comments.